Hakas ngi ka pratarik unai tung arhaja Plie, Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Meghalaya ukonat ke sangma, ringkat ka jinyadan lang jong Chief Justice jong ka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court, Sanjeev Banerjee, kila plipat ba Iaka jagat rekam bathamai jong ka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court hakas ngi sajjan. Hakani ka sngi ladon lang ka Myntri ka badaipet jaka tanat an jong ka sorkar Jylla ka Dr. Mazal Amparin Lingdo, Myntri ka tanat pulih puthi urakam sangma, kinong bishar jong ka High Court bat kiwe. Habakran haga jingalang ukon rat ke sangma, ula ai khuble ye ki jingtre shitom ka balala bante yakani ka building ka bathamai, ula ong bagani ka shlam trekam ka dei ka barashna karpang, banbu ya ki kot ki ba ai jingtip shaphang ka an, ki be dei ba ka jing ai ya ka hok shakipat ba.
Absolutely need it. You know, it costs a bit, but
but you have a permanent structure then.
Absolutely.
So,
there's anything
and you can lease out to others, rent out to others to earn.
But challenges will always be there. But what is important to understand, and which is what I appreciate when I heard the speech of the respected Chief Justice, is at the end of the day, no matter who we are, what we are, in which position we are, we need to remember that we are here to serve the people of our country. And I think that principle cannot change. And that's the principle we may be in different positions. We may have different views on different issues. But at the end of the day, the people of this country, the people of the state, are at the focus of what we do and the decisions that we make. And that's one thing that we all should keep in mind. I tell people whenever I meet them, that, and I repeat this, a lot of people may be getting bored who have heard my speech 100 times, that there must be a purpose that drives an individual in what he or she does. You cannot be doing things without a purpose in mind. And if you don't have that purpose, then I think you are already lost in what you're doing and you have no meaning in what you're trying to do. So what is that sense of purpose inside you that drives you to even do the things that you feel that you cannot do or you cannot achieve? I think that is very important for one person to find out. And I keep telling people, for me, since he mentioned this, and that's why it struck my mind, is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. Even if it's a small difference, if we can make a difference, I think, for me, I have served my purpose for that particular day. So I don't look at the larger goal, which of course is important. I need to be a person who needs to see the vision for the state, to take the state 50 years from now. When we look back after 20, 30 years, we see and be satisfied with what we have done for the people. But I think even the small things in life are very important. And I think when you realize the difference you make in the position you are in, by doing the small things to make a positive difference, I think no other satisfaction will be more than that. Keeping in mind some of the other important factors also, as was being mentioned, I was just talking to our Chief Justice, and I was telling him that we will see a lot of also improvement in the Shillong city area in the next 5 years time, where we just had a meeting this last few days, because since he was mentioning about the entry when he had come into Shillong, and he'll be happy to know, and all the citizens will be happy to know, that we are going at a very fast pace in order to also shift out some of the very important locations where the lands, whether it's the cantonment board, whether it's the jail, whether it's the police reserve, we plan to have some kind of space wherever government spaces are available. There are small spots and areas where government space is there and it's not being utilized. So full mapping has been done of that, and we expect that in the next few months we'll be starting multi-level parkings in those areas, and those will become very, very critical infrastructures for the long-term planning of the state.